very good afternoon to all. My name is Saloni Base. Along with my friend,
Sarvesh Tatwaria.
we are from B Farm 5th semester from Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences Indore. Today, we are going to present our working model of organ bath. Organ bath is an instrument which is used to perform various experiments of pharmacology with the help of living tissue. Today, we have prepared a working model of organ bath with the help of artificial intestine. In this apparatus, artificial intestine is used to check the potency, efficacy, and dose of the drug. Now the working.
Now the axial organ bath contains various parts such as physiological salt solution chamber, then where the physiological salt solution is filled. The physiological salt solution goes to the glass coil where the salt solution is heated, and then the salt solution comes to the organ bath where the tissue is held with the lever. So this is the stirrer. It provides the uniformly water in all organ chamber. So the temperature is maintained at 37 degrees Celsius by the heater. This is the electrical assemblies are fitted in this box, which provides the maintained temperature. So this lever is connected with the tissue with the help of thread. This is artificially intestine are to be prepared. This is artificial intestine which we have prepared. Okay, so
Shows
this is
contraction and relaxation.
the artificial intestine shows the contraction and relaxation. When the tissue is contract, the graph is goes to the upward, and the tissue is relaxed, the graph is goes to the downward. So this is chemograph. The electrical assemblies are fitted in this box, which controls the rotatory drum. This is rotatory drum, and the paper is also called smoke paper, which the help of pin the graph is plotted. So we pour the physiological salt solution. This is physiological salt solution contains ions such as magnesium ions, calcium ions, potassium ions, and various. So I poured a physiological salt solution in the PSS chamber. The physiological salt solution comes into the glass coil. The glass coils where the helps to heat the physiological salt solution. The solution is goes into the organ chamber where the tissue is connected with the aeration tube. This is aerator which provide the oxygen to the intestine. So this is aeration tube. The tissue is holded with this tube, and this is overflow pipe. The overflow pipe or the over physiological salt solution is pumped into this pipe and stored at this beaker. Then we show the intestine how they work. So close like this. This is artificial intestine,
Which we have prepared with the help of injections.
the graph can be plotted. The graph can goes to upward. This shows the intestine is contract, and the graph is downward. They show this intestine is relaxed. So all of our organ bath.
This is all about our organ bath. Thank you so much.